Two growers, two dimensions of the multiverse, both in pursuit of the highest quality flower. Two very different paths chosen. Why waste hours on research when the answer's right in front of you? Some complicate while others simplify with Lotus. Lotus is the only premium powdered nutrient that will surpass the results of those complicated and difficult to manage nutrient recipes. Pure minerals and kelp ensure ideal growth. Perfect for medicinal plants, veggies, and more. When you choose Lotus, your only question will be what to do with all the time you save. Think of all you can accomplish with your newfound free time. Your time, like your plants, is precious. You can find a new hobby, discover a new trade, master a new art. Lotus provides versatility for every grow medium. Why pay for water? Lotus's powdered nutrients are more concentrated, less mess. With Lotus Nutrients, it's 3 simple parts. Others, a confusing mess of bottles. Lotus ensures giant yields and potent flowers. Other nutrients waste your time, but with Lotus, low effort.
Nice shot!
High results. Every moment saved with Lotus means more fun moments for you. Why spend all day mixing when you can become the Renaissance man you've always dreamed of? With Lotus, get superior results in a fraction of the time. Lotus Nutrients, because life is too short to waste.